came so easy, all the loving you gave me, the feelings we shared. And I still can remember how you touched me so tender, it told me you care. We had a once in a lifetime, but I just couldn't see until it was gone. A second once in a lifetime, maybe too much to ask, but I swear from now on, if ever you're in my arms again, this time I love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I hold you forever. This time will never end. Now I'm seeing it clearly, I will still let you near me, I still love you so. There's something between us that won't never leave us. There's no letting go. We had a once in a lifetime, but I just didn't know it till my life fell apart. A second once in a lifetime isn't too much to ask, 'cause I swear from the heart, if ever you're in my arms again, this time I love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I hold you forever. This time will never end. Never end. The best of romances deserve second chance.